Alright, so showing how to get one of these. Let's do it. USD. Or G. Look. 4 hours. Alright, look. Going down. How you know that? Path tool. Down to 15. How the markets move down, up, down, reconstruction, down chain. Down. What was coming up? You could take this if you wanted to. Once it get low like this, it normally never go really lower than this. It always goes up. Then short position. This fib tool went up here towards the 50, didn't really break it. Could have went back again. Three. Or you go hold it. Go back up to the 4. Just right there though. Okay. Just making sure my market structure right. See? Remember, repeat the process. We got it in here. Gave you 8 o'clock till about 10. You had 2 hours to enter. I'm talking low, so a lot of people sleep. So I ain't trying to wake nobody up. held it. Boom. Went up. Fill two. Wanted to. Here, 215. Yeah, I mean, you could have caught something here, gave you here, then it went back up and gave you all of these. So, but I knew you would have knew it was the bigger move because the trace and didn't really go further. 23, right there. From 3rd to the 7th, so 4 days. Over here, buy, broke the low, so you know we gotta retrace. 14, 3. Or you could have held up, traced. Boom, 78. We got 9th to the 10. You got like a day to enter this. 17 and 3. Easy. We kept it going. Broke this, but it was many in between them, but I'm going for the larger shit just to show you. Could have went this. Who knows? One, two, 1, 3, whatever. Let's get your profit and get out. Went down here, went up there. It's the same cycle. Do one more example. Stay on G though. I'm gonna do right now. So if you're watching this, right now move. I know it's gonna sell, but it can buy back up. These your opportunities. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Cash, as long as your stop loss of really the first ones. So like, so it's really about the 14, 23, like here. Yeah, I will be putting together a Discord. What just happened, but memberships, like one-on-one stuff like that. I'll be putting that together too. So free play. Oh yeah, on my first video I called this one out. So yes. What is this one? Yeah. It was up here. I said I was gonna do this because for a while, boom, put this high. No chain. Do that. And then I said I was gonna go sell. Broke high, you know I gotta come down. Broke the high, you know I gotta come down. Broke the high, you know I gotta come down. It's gonna buy back up soon. So, see, trade crypto. Forex right here. It's gonna go up or below this. It's gonna go down, but it's gonna go back